Edo State get correct advantage as raw materials dey plenty to support production and manufacturing for the state. Naija for the last 40 years dey rely on imported goods and services wey dem no dey produce, and we must wake up reach that point where we must dey consume and use wetin we manufacture for we nation sake of say we no get foreign exchange. Edo State Governor Obaseki yarn this one when he received the National Presido of Manufacturing Association of Nigeria MAN, Otunba Francis Meshioye, with other executives wey join body carry waka go government house for one courtesy visit to the governor. Oga Governor come talk say MAN as a body get role to help redirect Naija towards manufacturing sake of say we no dey export any manufactured goods as a nation. He come talk say as government dem go create enabling environment for the association to thrive and throw the idea say no be our responsibility to create wealth and create wealthy people. He come still talk say
we come to a head and let us not kid ourselves. We have no choice but to manufacture. We have to make the things we consume. We can no longer import them because we don't have the resources to. We don't have the foreign exchange to import them, particularly as we are not exporting any manufactured goods. So if any institution today in this country has a role to help us redirect this country is MAN. Do not mind if you feel sometimes that you are not being listened to. We have no choice. We'll have to listen to you as government, both at the national and sub-national levels. We've got to understand that we have to create the enabling environment as governments for you to thrive. We have to move away from this, Judaized and wrong notion in government that it's not our responsibility as government to create wealthy people. The notion in government is like government is in competition with the private sector. Government is in competition with people who are providing goods and services for us. That affects the policy thinking in government, where government begins to see business people as criminals and those who are bad budgets as, the nationalists. It starts from a policy thinking, and you cannot but continue to push hard. Just don't give up, because my term in government, I've come to realize that part of the challenge is lack of knowledge and arrogance of government and people in power. So unless you continue to push, you will not be able to get through the message. So I encourage you to continue to.
National Presido of the Manufacturing Association of Nigeria MAN, Francis Otunba, contrary salute to the governor for the giant steps his administration don't take to make Edo State the place for private sector investment. Francis Otunba constantly talk say him and the executive dey on tour duty for Edo and Delta State and say them see the effort wey dem put to transform Edo State business landscape, and say among wetin dem see na the annual Alagodaro wey be step in the right direction, and other projects like Do Port Refinery, Green Hill Farm Ethanol Factory, Oshioma Power Plant, and Edo Production Hub, and say them expect to collaborate with the government to get ogbonge objective to grow the manufacturing industry for the state.
The 6,000 barrels per day Edo Modular Refinery and Petrochemical Company, located in Ologbo, the 2,500 barrels per day Do Port Refinery, run by Do Port Refinery Company Limited, which is very good. Also, the Green Hill Farms Ethanol Factory, Edo Tech Park, and Oshioma Independent Power Plant, including Edo Production Hub. You'll agree with me the poor performance of the national economy the last few years, which the federating states are part of, has made it very imperative for state governments that understand and appreciate the contribution of the real sector in job and wealth creation to institute a more effective and efficient consultative mechanism with organizations like MAN in particular. With MAN, because MAN anchors the advocacy of policy formulation that will grow the real sector. The reason is to ensure sustenance of the existing manufacturing companies that are at the verge of collapse under the weight of overwhelming infrastructural, regulatory challenges, and fundamental reforms that are yet to produce desired results.
Make us not forget, say, as we see them, now so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.